Hey guys, for this video, I am unbagging the XINRAN long black straight synthetic wig. For the price point of this wig, I must say, this is definitely a great purchase. Right out of the bag, it did seem like it wanted to be a little staticky and frizz up a bit because of the synthetic fiber. However, I hit it with some of this control wig spray, and once I did that, and of course I didn't saturate it, I held it about 6 to 8 inches away and sprayed all around the wig. And like almost immediately when I did that and combed through it, it got so much better. If I may make a suggestion when you put it on, I wouldn't say maybe the first time, but the next couple of times to kind of tame it, you can hit it with some oil sheen. But this is definitely a great wig if you want to wear it for just one day or a special occasion. Here is a photo of me wearing the wig. I absolutely love it. Again, this is just going to be for one day wear or like a special occasion. It's not going to be for everyday or long-term use, but it's definitely great for the price. So guys, I'm actually washing the wig. There is a little bit of shedding, which is to be expected for a synthetic wig, but I'm actually surprised at how like it's hanging up. So I think once I rinse it out and let it air dry, we're going to come back tomorrow and see what it's looking like. But so far, it's cooperating with the wash. Now, here's the wig, you guys. This is post-wash. I think that it looks even better than when it first came out of the bag. I mean, for a synthetic wig, it's definitely giving quality. The shedding has tremendously calmed down. It was shedding a lot more when it was straight out of the bag, but as of right now, I think it's great, especially for a special occasion or for a weekend. And honestly, a part of me feels like washing it straight out of the bag would help it to get this more silky texture. So I highly recommend, especially for the price point, most definitely a 10 out of 10. This is a great wig, y'all. I'm not even just saying that. Like, look at the body on it. Look at the body. Look at the material. It's a great wig.